BAHASHAM, YAHAWASHI, QADASH. The bonus to GMS who told me this truth. 2 Corinthians 2 and 11. Lest Satan should get an advantage of us, for we are not ignorant of his devices. So we have a story here. Scientists record electrical activity from a single brain cell for more than a year. So when a person experiences a happy or sad mood, which brain cells are active? To answer that question, scientists need to understand how individual brain cells contribute to a larger network of brain activity and what role each cell plays in shaping behavior and overall health. Until now, it's been difficult to get a clear view into how brain cells in living animals behave for extended periods of time. So they developed implants that collected detailed information about brain activity from a single cell of interest for more than a year. Their findings based on research in mice. Okay. So this research solves a fundamental issue, the challenge of creating a brain electronic interface that does not disturb a brain function or degrade over time. Neuroscientists have long sought better tools to study different cells in the brain, including neurons and microglia. So a single neutron is very small, only 10 to the 100 micrometers, and when it fires, its action potential only lasts about 2 milliseconds. Well, so certain techniques can detect brain activity from specific cells of interest for short-lived experiments in small areas of the brain, either in tissue recently removed from animals or by using probes. So the brain is very soft, like the texture of tofu pudding. In contrast, electronics are rigid. Any small movement of the brain can cause conventional senses to drift and move in a living brain tissue. That mismatch in structure can cause cells around the implantation site to degrade. They're saying after 1 year they didn't see any degradation of individual neuronal proliferation of the microglia that they were recording. There's no other technology out there that can track single cell action potential from the same cell in active animals over the course of a few months and a year. So they used an implant, and Revelation 13:16, and he causeth all, both small and great, rich and poor, free and bond, to receive a mark in their right hand or in their foreheads. Shalom.